Withdrawing cash from an American Express credit card is generally discouraged due to high fees and interest rates associated with cash advances. However, if you still need to withdraw cash, here's how you can do it. Check credit limit and cash advance limit. Ensure that you have available credit on your American Express credit card and that your cash advance limit is sufficient for the amount you wish to withdraw. You can check your available credit and cash advance limit through your online account or by contacting American Express customer service. Locate ATM. Find an ATM that accepts American Express credit cards for cash advances. These are typically labeled with the American Express logo. Insert card. Insert your American Express credit card into the ATM and follow the prompts on the screen. Enter PIN. If you set up a PIN for your American Express credit card, you'll be prompted to enter it to authorize the cash advance. Withdraw cash. Follow the instructions on the ATM screen to select the amount of cash you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that there may be limits on the amount you can withdraw in a single transaction. Collect cash. Once the transaction is complete, collect your cash from the ATM. Be sure to take your card and any receipts with you. Review fees and interest. Keep in mind that cash advances typically incur high fees and interest rates, which can start accruing immediately. Review your credit card terms and conditions for details on cash advance fees and interest rates.